The City of Eugene encourages and solicits the opinions of our residents in deciding how we grow and change, and what kind of city we should be. The city supports 14 different advisory and decision-making committees. The Police Commission focuses on public safety.
The Police Commission is appointed by the City Council, 8 members from the general public, 2 from the City Council, 1 from the Civilian Review Board, and 1 from the Human Rights Commission. The 2 members from the City Council help make sure that the work of the Commission is lined up with what the Council wants, and the 2 members from the boards and commissions help make sure that the work that the Council assigns the various boards and commissions is well coordinated. Police Commission mission, as defined by the City Council, is to advise the City Council, the City Manager, and the Police Chief on policing policies, practices, and resources that reflect the community values of the City of Eugene.
The idea is to bridge the gap between the community and the Eugene Police Department. We intend to open up those communication channels to increase trust and to increase access to conversations that will lead to trust between the police and the community. The Police Commission intends to bring community values to the body. And in doing so, we of course try to recommend policies that will be in line with civil liberties and civil rights. And of course, this is all part of public safety. So in the end, this is about understanding or increasing the understanding of public safety, and most important, what are the resources that the Eugene Police Department needs.
With the announcement of the closure of Monroe Street Station, Chief Kearns came to the Police Commission and he asked that if we could go some kind of way, go down and talk to the residents in that area and find out with the closure of that facility, what type of police, security, or public safety that community would still like to have. So we developed a very high-profile, high-performing team, and we did a number of interviews and listening sessions with the citizens of not only Whitaker Street, but also some of the other areas around Train Song to find out what type of impact or what will people like to see as far as a continuous police presence in the area. Really surprised me when they came back and they provided feedback. So I think overall it was very successful. It gave us an opportunity to really connect with the people and make sure that people understood that we were there to represent the people, but we're also there to make sure that EPD had an ear open to the needs of the community, and they were very receptive to that.
So it's been an excellent partnership because we realized that the substation, it's really a good community service, but most of the services are not going to be lost. Most of the services will continue to be in the area. They just need to be relocated for efficiency.
One of the goals of the Police Commission this year was to measure the amount of understanding and trust that the citizens of Eugene had with the Eugene Police Department. And one of the outcomes of that survey was we found that 80% of citizens of Eugene highly or mostly trusted the Eugene Police Department.
The main body of our work is working on police policies. We're meant to bring a community perspective and ensure that the police policies reflect community values. And we've worked on a lot of policies over the years. The policies generally belong to the police department. It's their policies, but they take the Police Commission's input and comments very, very seriously. The difference between the Police Commission and the Civilian Review Board is that the Civilian Review Board really reviews the work of the police auditor in the area of complaints and allegations against individual police officers. The Police Commission does not review or undertake investigation of individual allegations against officers.
The Police Commission meets once a month on the second Thursday of every month. The meeting materials are on their website. In addition, they also have committee meetings several times a month, and that material and the meeting notices are also on the website.
The Eugene Police Commission is one of many boards and commissions that advise City Council and staff and help make Eugene a better place to live. To find one that might be right for you, visit the city's website shown here. You can also call 541-682-5010.